Now, most of these AI tools for creating websites are pure crap, correct? They are incredibly nasty, it is time consuming and never reaches the desired result. But now that you can add function to this website, it's changed everything. So what if you could create a whole client portal including communications, file uploads and project tracking simply by conversing with AI? There is no programming or developers involved. Simply type your concept into a keyboard and it's really very cool. Hostinger Horizons is one of Hostinger's newest AI builders capable of automating your websites. Now I have been using this AI program for about 2 weeks, so let me explain you how to use this tool correctly. So let's look into it. So here's the AI tool. It's called Hostinger Horizons. Now this has only been out for about 6 months. With this AI tool, you may create any form of websites or application. So to keep things simple, once you reach this page, you may ask it to produce something, correct? So modern landing page, portfolio website or whatever. And just to give you a short example, I will type in the current landing page, which will generate a prompt and then develop a specific application or website. And just like that, you will notice the AI tool has entirely creatable, incredibly cool looking websites. These are various sections including the features, pricing, testimonials and the contact page. However, it appears that they forgot to incorporate the contact form, right? But that only offers a rough sense of how things work. Now if you want to change something, all you have to do is notify the AI tool and they will make the necessary changes to the existing project. For example, establish a contact form where people can submit their names, emails and messages. Also make sure to save that contact to my database. The database now distinct from Hosting and Horizon. It uses a platform called Superbase and I believe all of the information such as emails and messages will be saved there as well. So I went ahead and changed the project, and when I clicked on the contact, it sends them to a form where they can enter their name, email address and messages. One more thing, you can also preview this. So if you ever want to preview your project outside of the Horizon interface, simply click on the preview web app and with that your web app is now available on the internet. You may always go through your application right here by looking at the features, pricing, testimonials and other aspects of the website. Now let's quickly return to Hostinger Horizons. Now we created this web app, correct? And you might be wondering, can I add a domain to this? The answer is yes, you can add a domain. So at the top I will click publish. The project has now been released on the internet, so right here you may link a domain. This has a significant impact because you can now add a really good domain to your web app. So you can essentially create very integrated, website with a lot of services and features and then add a domain to make it look like a real website. Now what I showed you earlier was merely a demonstration, and to show how powerful Hostinger Horizons can be for making money with an online store, let's look at this example. So if you love eco-friendly fashion and want to start clothing line called Green Threads where every piece is made from recycled materials, then Hostinger Horizons will make a beautiful e-commerce store in a no time at all with a simple request like make an online store for eco-friendly clothing with product customization. The store will have product pages with high quality pictures of your clothes and each item had information about the eco-friendly materials used to make it. But the real magic happens when you add things like eco package options, which lets customers pay a little extra to have their order shipped in compostable packaging. And this special trust makes your brand more valuable to eco-conscious buyers and lets you make money from the fact that your brand is eco-friendly. Also, you can keep track of your stock levels in real time and never run out of your best-selling design with integrated payment system like Stripe or PayPal and inventory management tools. Hostinger Horizons also lets you set up a loyalty program that gives customer points for every purchase they make. This makes them want to come back and buy more, which increases the value of each customer over time. You can also offer limited time collection and make a eco-friendly subscription box for a customer to get a new items for your clothing line every month. And this is a really great way to make money on a regular basis. Your store is ready to open and start making money because it has everything it needs, from secure checkout to shipping integration. And for such business to grow, you will need to do most of your planning and groundwork with ChatGPT, and I highly recommend starting there because every prompt you use in Hostinger Horizons comes with a cost. The first step is to make sure the AI understands the tool we are working with so you can build a solid foundation for your project. By the way, Hostinger Horizons is actually very different from other AI website builders because it is the only AI powered platform that has built-in e-commerce feature, and this is really a helpful one. So it really brings a different vibe from its competitors because it's not need third-party integration. Instead, you can create, launch and monetize your e-commerce store all in one place. So if you are a young business dude or you want to start an online business, then you can easily build a fully functional online store with Hostinger Horizons. My initial prompt will be, are you familiar with Hostinger Horizons AI powered platform? Let's go ahead and type that in. This helps ChatGPT source for details about the tool and get a clear sense of what we are referencing. Once it's confirmed it's on the same page, you are ready to move forward. Now that we have established that connection, let's ask the next question to set up your project. Type something like, I want to create a web application using Hostinger Horizons. Can you guide me through the process? process. At this point, ChatGPT knows we are talking about Hostinger Horizons and its capabilities. Then it will likely ask you to clarify your vision. For example, it might say what kind of web app you are looking to build and are there any specific features you want to include. This is your chance to share your idea, like a task manager with calendar integration or an e-commerce site with a custom product filter. So the AI can help you craft a perfect prompt for Horizon. It does not give you a template, it's also lay out a plan. Like step 1 is setting up authentication. Step 2 is making a dashboard with tasks and messages. Then it make the code behind the scenes using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and even logic that runs on the server. It's work with database like Supabase to keep users data safe. It took about 2 to 3 minutes to build the first vision in my test, and there is a live preview on the site that updates as you go. You can click around, test a login and upload a fake file. It feels like magic, but it's all done by AI. You just talk more. If something goes wrong, I told it to change the colors to blue and white to match my brand, and it did so right away. Need to connect? It set up the API for you and gives you instruction if you need them. Just ask to add Stripe for payments or Google Calendar for scheduling. Click publish when you are ready and your site will be live on the web with hosting. You can get everything you need in one place: a custom domain, SSL and even a business email. No need to change servers or DNS settings. Now let's talk about why this tool has become so popular in such a short amount of time. Based on what I have read in reviews and forums, it's filling a big gap. You have to learn how to traditional no-code tools like Bubble or Arrow, which can take hours or even days. And WordPress plugins can be expensive and hard to use. But what about hosting Horizons? It's easy to use. Anyone who can type a sentence can do it. Success stories have made it go viral. People are making booking system for salons, mortgage calculators for financial sites, and even custom YouTube tools in just a few minutes. There are tutorials on YouTube that show how to make websites that make $5,000 quickly, and people on Reddit are talking about how it saved them from hiring developers. And since it come out in March 2025, Hostingers has really taken off. There are stories on Reddit about people building $5,000 store in just a few hours. In one afternoon, a friend make a cake order from that also tracked stock, which saved hundreds of dollars on developers. It's really easy to get started, type or talk in more than 80 languages or upload a sketch. Also, SSL keeps things safe, and by default, your store is ready for mobile devices. People who make Twitch apps for fun, small business owners, and even teachers love it because it's so easy to use. It can be used in many ways. You can use it to make simple landing pages, online stores, client portals, calculators, or niche tools like a QR code generator. And quality is good. SSL makes it safe, it has reliable uptime, and the AI fixes bugs when you tell it to. But since it's AI, it's not perfect. Sometimes prompts cause problems, like when design changes with updates or when it's used up all your prompts fixing bugs. The free trial gives you a 5 prompt a month, and the paid trial start at $20 for 100. This is fair, but it adds up for big projects. It has got this amazing built-in code editor, and so you have access to your website code, and I love this feature. So whether you are a beginner or a pro, you can easily edit the code, export it, or even share it with a developer or a team member. Hostinger makes it easy to sell. I was able to set up a PayPal jewelry store in minutes for my test. And do you want to sign up for something? Say add Stripe as a way to pay for monthly jewelry box subscription. You never sell too much because the AI keeps track of your inventory. It writes short description for you after you upload pictures of your products. Hostinger global data centers make my store pages load in 1.7 seconds. Their built-in SEO tools helps your store move up in Google search results, which leads to more sales. Alright, so go to Hostinger Horizons and sign up. Put something like make a store for custom t-shirts with a review section and Stripe in the box. Make changes by tracking, testing it live, and then click publishing to start. For a professional look, add a custom domain. Needs to change some code. You can change the code or share it with a teammate using the code editor. So if you are into online journey and really need a powerful tool, then you better launch your products today with Hostinger Horizon and use my code Chris to get 10% off. It's quick, simple, and the perfect way to bring your ideas to life. And of course, I have added link in my description too. And if you want to know the pricings and plans, so you have the starter plan that costs $9.99 a month for 30 messages, which is great for small projects. Then a professional plan that will cost you $39.99 a month for 100 messages. And for if you're running a big store, then you better go with enterprise plan that will cost you $79.99 a month for 200 messages. And when you sign up for one of the yearly plans, you will get free hostings and a free domain for the whole time you are a member. And don't forget to use the coupon code Chris at checkout for a special discount, and you can enjoy this incredible app. Thank you so much for being me, and if you want to learn more about AI, then definitely watch this video now, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button too, and don't forget to check out Hostinger Horizons now.